Okay, who wants to go on a holiday? Get your bids in right now. Congratulations!
Now it's time for the travel auction where you could win a luxurious short holiday package at the price you choose to pay. Here's how it works. I give you the details of a short holiday package, then invite you to call the travel auction hotline and register your bid. There is absolutely no reserve price. The highest 50 bids will be accepted. And our package to Echuca, Moama includes 2 nights luxury accommodation in a 4.5-star 2-person spa room at the Madison Spa Resort on the riverbanks. Now, normally $490. How much will you bid? 1300 65 65 73 or bid at travelauctions.com.au.